Hi Rich, I'm Scott Cotter, Marketing Director for Novarra, and with me is Anthony Love. What we're doing here today is showcasing some of the new deployments that our customers have brought to market based upon Novarra's Vision platform. And first, one of the biggest trends of the year that we've seen is video services. Novarra historically has offered full web access, any website, any URL on virtually any type of a phone. This year, as video is becoming more of the fabric of the internet and more expected by consumers, we're seeing that many of our operator partners are adding streaming video services using the Novarra platform to their internet services. Turkcell, Telecom Italia, US Cellular, there's a variety of operators that are really finding success adding video services. So what I'd like to do is actually show you a live implementation on a US Cellular phone. So we're right here in US Cellular's backyard, and what you're going to see is part of US Cellular's new service where it's a bundle with an unlimited internet plan, some other features, and it's based upon Novarra's Vision browser, and Anthony's going to show you how they've included streaming video from live sites in the service. It's been quite successful for many consumers.
Okay, so like Scott was explaining, the device that I have here is a US cellular feature phone. It's actually an LG UX380. It is e-video capable. So what you're looking at now is a video example, which I'm about to show, which is on the ESPN.go.com website. So what I'm going to do here is press play. You'll see the video start to play. So the video that you're watching right now is actually a SportsCenter clip that's actually being streamed live on a video server from the Novarra video server. And again, this is a service that we currently have commercially deployed with the US Cellular.
What Novarra does is we'll detect video on a website, and in cases where the phone doesn't have the ability to play that video in its native format coming from that full PC website, Novarra will automatically adapt that video and stream it out to the device in a protocol or a format that phone can handle. So we do this automatic, on-the-fly, real-time transformation of the video so that the user, the consumer, gets that full, rich experience. Same content they would get if they were on the PC website, experiencing it through a desktop browser, but now they get this content on their mobile that they otherwise would not get on a mobile phone.
Are you finding H.264 is one of the better formats for sending video?
You know what, Anthony? I don't know if you have any insight into which of the formats. But
sorry to hit you with the format question.
That's all right.
But I'm curious.
Yeah, well, yeah, I guess H.264 is a very popular format, so yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So your question is yes.
Good news. So, I don't know, did you want to go into another demo as well? I see you've got another phone there. Is it something we can look at?
Yes, I do have another video example here.
Yeah, please show us.
The device I have here is an LG Dare. This is a touchscreen browser, which Novarra has developed just as a demo. This isn't commercially deployed with any carrier right now. So again, I'm on the ESPN.go.com website. And so what you're seeing now is the video page being shown in a zoomed out view. So once I click here, it zooms in. You'll see a play button is being inserted, which lets the user know that I'm able to play the video. So once I click here, you see the video start to become buffered. And like Scott mentioned before, this video is actually being streamed real time. We're doing a conversion as the video is coming over the air. And you see the video start there. Now what you're seeing right now is the Novarra inline player. So once we do click on the video starts to play on its own. It's an autoplay. You see that the video controls are actually being inserted at the bottom, this part where the menu used to be.
And this is a pretty important example. You'll find, like the US Cellular phone, for instance, people might not expect video. It might be a nice surprise that they get this type of content. But when you get to a phone of the caliber of this LG Dare that's marketed as more of an internet device by Verizon, people expect that they are going to have a good internet experience. So having the ability to access all the different type of content, speed, and flexibility that we can add to the service is very important.
Now there's a rumor that you guys are doing a lot in the widget world. Is that true?
That is true. 2009 has been a year where there's been a shift from just making internet access good, fast, usable, to finding new ways to monetize and new ways to build mobile internet services. And widgets is a great opportunity for that. But what we've seen so far is that you've got Standards are still evolving. You've got different consortiums taking slightly different approaches. You've got different handsets with different widget runtime environments, for instance, and it's caused somewhat of a fragmentation challenge. So Novarra, we've applied our in-network intelligence, the Vision Server, to help solve those problems. What the Vision Server does is it enables developers to create a widget, host it to our server using their existing development tools. So they don't have to learn new tools or standards. As long as they work within W3C guidelines for web development, then our server will automatically deliver that widget out to any type of handset. It could be a handset that has a widget runtime engine from perhaps like a Nokia or an Opera. So we'll package that widget on the fly and deliver it for those type of widget runtime environments. Or it could be a phone that has no widget runtime environment at all. So that's really part of the magic. We really extend the reach of widgets, the ability for developers to reach broad audiences with mobile apps at a much lower cost and complexity than the widget environment offers today.
Thank you so much for your time, guys. This was great. Appreciate it.